In this class, I am going to solve few more problems on non-homogeneous differential equation of type 3. Type 3 means when RHS is a polynomial. So, see the problem, the already working rule, everything have been explained in the previous video. So, here I have taken few more examples. D square plus 2 of y is equal to x cube minus x square. So, auxiliary equation is m square plus 2 equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 2. So, m is equal to plus or minus root 2 I. Okay. So, roots are complex. So, yc is equal to c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x yc. So, yp is equal to x cube minus x square by d square plus 2. So, we have to divide this. So, in that rule is f of d must be in ascending order. So, 2 plus d square, f of x must be in descending. So, x cube minus x square. So, now see the first term, always while dividing you should take the dividend, that is first dividend term x cube by in the divisor first term. So, x cube by 2. This is the term quotient first term. So, x cube by 2. Now see 2 into x cube by 2 means x cube only, x cube. So after that we have to multiply the rest of the divisor terms. So after this d square of x cube by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into d square of x cube means second derivative of x cube. So it is 6x. X cube differentiation is 3x square. Again you differentiate, that is x square differentiation 2x. So it is 6x. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So it is 3x. So plus 3x. Next subtract this. So x cube and x cube get, minus x cube get cancelled. Now minus x square. Then it is minus 3x. Next step again what we need to do? X square divided by 2. Minus x square divided by 2 is the next second quotient term. See plus into minus minus. Otherwise I have taken here as it is. So, it is minus x square by 2. So, second term see d square into x square by 2. This is minus x square. See plus into minus minus d square of x square by 2. So, 1 by 2 into d square of x square is 2. Only 2. How means? See there is a property. D power n of x power n is equal to n factorial. How many? D square of x square is 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. Similarly, d cube of x cube is 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. You can check, verify this. This is the property. This is the property. Same way, d power n of x power m is equal to 0 when n is, see, when n is greater than m. Okay. Example, d square of x cube, d power 4 of x cube means it will give 0. Check it, x cube differentiation when you differentiate one time, 3x, x cube differentiation is 3x square. Once again do it, 6x. Third time you will get 6. Fourth time you got only constant, it is 0. That's what this is, this property also important. See, d power n of x power m, value is 0, the derivative is 0 when n derivative power is greater than the polynomial power. So, I will use these two while dividing. So, note down this. Okay. So, here I am coming to this point, d square of x square by 2, 1 by 2 constant. See, both are equal. When m and n both are equal, otherwise both are having same power. So, we can take 2 means 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. So, 2 get cancelled. It is 1. So, here you will get 1. D square of minus x square by 2 is minus 1. Then plus get cancelled. So, minus 3x plus 1. Okay. So, one more step left out. So, now, so here minus 3x plus 1. So, here minus 3x divided by divisor is 2. So, here the quotient is, my third term quotient is minus 3x by 2. So, you get, see, minus plus into minus minus 2 get cancelled, so 3x. So you get minus 3x. Then plus into minus, minus d square of 3 by 2x. You just multiply d square of 3x by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 constant. See, when you differentiate x first time, so 1. Again in the second time, 1 differentiation is 0. That's property is explained. So here you will get 0. Plus into minus, minus. Anyhow 0 is there. Not a problem. So then change the sign. Plus 3 minus 3x and plus 3x get cancelled. But 1 is retained here. So you got 1. So after that it's very simple. 1 divided by 2. Directly you can take here. So 1 is remainder. Here 2 is there in the divisor. So directly constant is there. So positive sign plus into 1 by 2. So now 1. In the next step 1 minus 1 get cancelled 0. This is our particular interval. So solution is x cube by 2 minus x square by 2 minus 3x by 2 plus 1 by 2. So general solution is yc plus yp. So y is equal to adding these two solutions, yc and yp. Okay? Yes. Yes, in this problem, see y double dash plus y dash is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4. So this is y double dash means d square plus d of y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4. So auxiliary equation is m square plus m equal to 0. M is common. M plus 1 equal to 0. So m is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 1. Roots are real and distinct. So yc is equal to c1 e power 0x. So it is c1 only. c2 e power minus x. Okay. Whenever there is no constant term in the equation, so it's very easy to factorize. So after this yp. Yp is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4 divided by d square plus d. Okay. So I'll divide this according to the rule. D square denominator f of d must be ascending. So it is d plus d square and polynomial should be ascending. So it is descending. So x square plus 2x plus 4. So previous problem is having constant. Easily we used to find the quotient term. But here operator is there. Only beginning with the operator. First term is operator, differential operator. So then also not a problem. See, as usual step. Okay, divided first term divided by the divisor first term x square by d. So we know that d is a differential operator. 1 by d is inverse differential operator. That's what x square by d means. Integration of x square into dx. Okay. So it is x cube by 3. So the quotient first term is x cube by 3. So now say d into x cube by 3 means you can verify differentiation of x cube by 3. 1 by 3 into x cube differentiation is 3x square. 3 get cancelled, you will get x square. I just shown verification. Okay. So what we need to do, just divisor first term. From this we should divide this term. That's it. So x cube by 3. Next we should multiply. Now d square into this term. D square of x cube by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into, again d square of x cube means it is 6x. Okay, it is 2x. Okay, now only two terms. So we got minus, minus. So plus and minus, plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. 4. Okay. Now let's again 4 divided by d. So 4 is constant. Integration of constant into dx. It is 4 into x. Integration of 1 into dx is x. It is 4x. So plus 4x. Now it is very simple. Differentiation of x is 1. So it is d into 4x is 4. D square of 4x. In property, according to the property, d power is 2 and polynomial power is 1. So it is greater. So understood, you will get 0. So 4 get cancelled. So it's complete. So yp is equal to x cube by 3 plus 4x. So finally the solution is y is equal to yc plus yp, complementary function plus a particular interval. Yes, in this problem we can observe d cube minus d square minus 6d of y. There is no constant here also like previous problem. Okay, so first I'll find out the yc part. So auxiliary equation is m cube minus m square minus 6m equal to 0. This is cubic equation. Actually previous problems and all we were finding by inspection method, otherwise we can use calculator also. But there is no constant means it's very simple. You can take m as common factor. M square minus m minus 6 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0. Then it is easily factorizable. Minus 6 equal to 0. 3 2s are 6 minus 3 plus 2. So m minus 3 into m plus 2 equal to 0. So roots are 0, 3 minus 2. Okay, so yc is c1 plus e power 0x, so that is c1 only, c2 into e power 3x plus c3 into e power minus 2x. This is yc. Next yp. Yp is equal to x square plus 1 divided by d cube minus d square minus 60. We should divide this. So x square plus 1. So it is already in descending order. It should be denominator f of d must be in ascending order. So minus 6d minus d square and then plus d cube. Okay, so this is important. We should take minus 6d minus d square plus d cube. Okay, so here as usual we should divide the dividend by the first term of divisor. So x square divided by minus 6d, which is equal to minus 1 by 6 into 1 by d means integration of x square into dx. So minus 1 by 6 into x cube by 3. So it is minus x cube by 18. 6 into 3, 18. So minus x cube by 18. Minus x cube by 18. Okay. So remaining these two terms should multiply with the quotient. So minus into, next first I'll write x square. After this minus into minus plus d square of x cube by 18. D square of x cube by 18. So it is 1 by 18 into 1 by 18 constant. Second derivative of x cube, that is 6x. 3x square, then 3 2s are 6x, second derivative. So this is x by 3. So it is x divided by 3. Next plus into minus, minus d cube of x cube by 18. D cube of x cube by 18. So 1 by 18 is constant into d cube x cube. Property in the beginning I explained, when both are equal, d power n, this power, differential operator power and polynomial power are same means it is n factorial. So it is 3 is there, 3 factorial. 3 factorial means this is 6. So you get 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 3. Okay, next minus, plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Then a minus x by 3. So it is constant 1 and 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So it is plus 4 by 3. Okay. So then next step. See, this is the first divided term. So for this we have to divide from the divisor first term. So minus x by 3 divided by minus 16. Otherwise sign not a problem. Okay. So minus minus get cancelled. So 1 by 18 integration of x. Have we cleared this? So 1 by d means integration, directly I have taken. So afterwards 1 by 18 into integration of x is x square by 2. So the solution, the next term is x square by 18 2s are 36. Sign is, so we got minus x by 3. Next minus d square of minus into plus minus I'll write d square of x square by 36. 1 by 36 constant, d square x square, both are power is same. So 2 factorial means 2 only. So it is 1 by 18. So it is 1 by 18. So here plus minus changes to plus x by 3 minus x by 3 get cancelled. So we need to add 4 by 3 plus 1 by 18. So 18 LCM 24 plus 1 25 by. So we got 25 by 18. So after this again we need minus into plus minus. So 25 by 18 divided by minus 6d. So that is 25 by 18 into 6. Integration of constant is dx. So 25 by 108 into x. Integration of 1 into dx is x. So the quotient is 25 by 108x. Okay. So minus into minus plus d. Differentiation of x is 1. So 6 into, we have to multiply 6 into, you can verify, you will get same 25 by, it is 18. So afterwards d square of x, x power is 1, you will get 0, d cube of x is also 0. So next changing the sign, plus 25 by 18 minus 25 by 18 is 0. So finally yp is minus x cube by 18 plus x square by 36 minus 25x by 108. Okay, this is yp. So general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Thank you.